How you going, everybody? Ghost Aquariums. I flushed out the biofilter. So if you actually have a look, a lot of the water's starting to go blue. Because what I did do, I dropped in a load in the sump of methylene blue, which if you read on methylene blue, it's for fungus. It's a little bit of fungus that gets on the fish, or it will also help with white spot. I have no white spot, but sometimes when you do stuff like change the parameters and like I've drained all the biofilter out and that, there's only the valves on the bottom. Quite a few times I've flushed it out. Now, sometimes when you change parameters of things, it does stress the fish out a little bit. So I've decided to put in a little bit of stress coat through the system, through here, and also drop a load of methylene blue in there. Because I was reading, I've always used it for fungus, and that'll stop any bits of fungus and that. But then when I read on there, I've never used it for white spot treatment, but not we should have a look on there. Add for the treatment and control of white spot disease. I've always used it for my eggs to stop the fungus. Never actually noticed that it had a white spot. I always use something called, from the same company I think, it's called Echinec. Might have an empty one around here, but yeah, I use it's called Echinec. And what I do is occasionally I'll drop a load of it in the sump there and let it go right through the system. Do a big water change and I'll drop a load more in there just to make sure we've got no nasties around. But I just noticed the water wasn't as clear as I'd like it, so I thought I would do a big water change and drain the biofilter out and that. So we're filling back up the sump here right now in South Australia. You basically can't put tap water in because it's 32 to 33 degrees for tap water. So what I will do is I will fill these up and let them acclimate to the temperature in here, so that's good. And I normally don't put dechlorinator in it, I let it gas off, but I've actually bought some big lot of dechlorinator because I need to do things a little bit quicker nowadays. Remember to subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.